The official Sundays Are for the Birds est 1933 t-shirt is a must-have for any true football fan who loves to show unwavering support for their team. Inspired by the deep-rooted passion of Philadelphia football culture, this t-shirt proudly showcases the phrase, "Sundays are for the birds," a statement that resonates with die-hard fans who dedicate their weekends to cheering on their squad. The Est 1933 detail is a nod to the team's rich history, celebrating decades of resilience, triumphs, and unforgettable moments on the field. Designed with a bold and stylish print, this t-shirt effortlessly combines sports pride with everyday fashion, making it perfect for game days, tailgating parties, or casual outings. Whether you're watching the game at the stadium, a sports bar, or from the comfort of your home, this t-shirt allows you to represent your favorite team with pride and confidence. The classic fit and eye-catching design make it an ideal choice for fans of all ages, offering a timeless look that never goes out of style. Official Sundays Are for the Birds est 1933 t-shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Stay cozy and stylish in our Sundays Are for the Birds sweatshirt. Est 1933. Rock the Sundays Are for the Birds tank top, a vintage vibe since 1933. Perfect for summer fun. Embrace comfort with our Sundays Are for the Birds est 1933. Perfect for bird lovers. Stay cozy and stylish with our Sundays Are for the Birds hoodie. Est 1933. Show your love for Sundays with our Sundays Are for the Birds t-shirt. Est 1933. Beyond its official Sundays Are for the Birds est 1933 t-shirt appearance, the is crafted with top-quality materials to ensure comfort and durability. Made from 100% cotton, this t-shirt provides a soft, breathable feel, making it comfortable to wear throughout the day, whether you're standing in a packed stadium or simply relaxing at home. The fabric is lightweight yet durable, ensuring long-lasting wear without compromising on comfort. Additionally, this t-shirt is manufactured in the United States, guaranteeing high-quality craftsmanship and ethical production standards. The premium cotton material is pre-shrunk, meaning it retains its shape and fit even after multiple washes, making it a reliable staple in any fan's wardrobe. Whether paired with jeans, shorts, or layered under a hoodie during colder months, this t-shirt seamlessly fits into any outfit. Show your love for your team in style while enjoying superior comfort and American-made quality with this official Sundays Are for the Birds est 1933 t-shirt. Other product.